brand spanking new Hyundai. Pretty sure this is a Sonata. Hey, look, it's a Sonata. I can read. Pop the hood. Did that already. Right there. Pop the hood. That's where this is compared to where it is. Right there. I'm gonna pop it. This, I'm not happy about. Same as the other one. I did a Kia Sportage not too long ago. I hate this thing. Look at this. This is one complete piece of plastic. No tools required, as you saw. Drop the levers and pull. This thing's brand spanking new, so you don't have to really replace it, but how much plastic. You're getting rid of all this plastic and buying more plastic. Ugh. Put it back in. Turn. Close. There you have it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.